Hisense electric range. Prevent glass cooktop damage. Tips to know. Your Hisense electric range features a durable glass cooktop that can withstand the rigors of everyday cooking. Its toughened glass cooktop is built to last and designed to provide years of reliable performance. Despite its durability, the glass cooktop can still be scratched or damaged if not handled or maintained properly. Here are some tips to minimize scratching of the glass cooktop and prevent cracking. Use proper cookware. Pots and pans are typically made from a variety of metals, including aluminum, cast iron, copper, and stainless steel to name a few. Aluminum cookware, being a soft metal, needs careful handling. Even though aluminum is an excellent heat conductor and tends to be more affordable, it is more prone to scratching, denting, and warping. This is especially true if aluminum cookware has been used on electric coil burners. Due to its susceptibility to warping, aluminum cookware may develop imperfections on the bottom, such as small gaps, grooves, or edges. These imperfections can increase the likelihood of thermal shock, which can cause the glass to crack. Depending on burner size and configuration, aluminum griddles may also cause sizable damage to the glass cooktop if not used properly. Aside from affecting the taste and color when using aluminum cookware, acidic foods can also create a pit in the pot or pan, making it uneven. For best practice, always read and follow the cookware's instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to cook with it. Unlike aluminum cookware, cast iron, stainless steel, and copper are rigid metal types and unlikely to warp. However, due to their density, they can be heavy and can cause damage if dropped or set onto the glass cooktop at an angle. To avoid damage, ensure all cookware is correctly centered on the burner and gently place flat before turning on the heat. Also, never slide your pots or pans across the glass surface regardless of which type of cookware used. When cooking, be sure there's nothing between the burner and the bottom of the cookware. Cooking on top of food can damage the glass cooktop or leave unwanted marks or stains. Remove all food debris and moisture from the bottom of the cookware before using the cooktop. Be sure to clean the glass cooktop properly after each use. Use non-abrasive glass cleaner products specifically designed for the range cooktop. Lastly, never place lids on top of the glass cooktop. In certain instances, lids placed on a hot glass surface will create a low pressure zone and create a partial vacuum, causing the lid to be stuck. Pulling on the lid upward to remove it will cause the glass cooktop to possibly crack. When this happens, wait for the cooktop to cool until it releases the lid. Please note, the glass cooktop is not covered by warranty if cracked or damaged. Get the most out of your range's performance by implementing these preventative strategies.